Hello, welcome to Moody Blooms. Today we're going to be topping our beautiful seashells with some succulents. So what you'll need is some moss or some soil, a glue gun if you're going to use some moss, and some succulent cuttings. So first things first, I'm going to go ahead and take some of this darker moss and kind of shove it in the back. I'm going to use this spongier moss on top. Kind of looks like coral to me, kind of goes with the seashells. For this one, because it's a smaller shell, I'm going to use some smaller cuttings. So we'll go ahead and glue these down and just put a little bit of glue at the ends, and they'll root right through the glue into the moss. And we did the same thing on a pumpkin video on my channel that you can check out as well. Just put a little bit of glue, set it right down. And I like to use different colors to kind of mix it up. And you really can't go wrong. These, all these succulents are so beautiful that look great together. You want to try to fill it in so almost all of the moss is covered. So there you have it. Here's our first one. How beautiful is that? And to water that, we'll just go ahead and take our water bottle on a stream setting and just get right in there at the roots. Probably about once a week, maybe once every 2 weeks. Here's our next shell that we're going to use, and since it's a little bit larger, I'm going to use some larger cuttings. So first I'm going to go ahead and kind of stick some of this other moss kind of deep in there. Then I'm going to grab this spongier moss for the top. Just put a little bit of glue right here on the ends, and it'll actually root right through. You probably want to choose your larger succulents first, and then you can add the smaller ones as fillers. Thanks for joining us. Here are our beautiful succulent topped seashells. If you have any questions, please comment below, and please like if you enjoyed this video and subscribe to get future updates of new videos.